Lost in translation on Chrome. I'll share 5 quick ways to fix the translate feature. Stay tuned for solutions to keep your browsing multilingual and smooth. Click the menu button and choose the Settings option. Select the About Chrome option on the left pane. Your browser will automatically search for available updates. Sometimes the simplest fix might be the most effective. An outdated browser could cause all manner of problems. Click the menu button and select the Settings option. Select the Privacy and Security option. Choose the Clear Browsing Data option. Click the drop-down next to Time Range and select All Time. Mark the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Finally, click the Clear Data button. Click the menu button and select More Tools. Choose the Extensions option. Toggle the switch in front of each extension backward to disable it. Go to the Chrome Web Store to download the Google Translate extension. Click the Add to Chrome button. Click the Add Extension button to confirm the action. If the Translate page option is not showing on Chrome after applying the fixes above, using the extension might be your best bet to restore normal service. Open the Chrome settings. Choose the Reset and Cleanup option. Select Restore settings to their original defaults. Click the Reset settings when prompted.